Hello guys, we are back, and yeah, Diana aged into a child, so we caught her when she was gonna read under covers and go to sleep. Kind of want this cute little panda guy in my house. There. Okay, now I kind of want this. So what I want is this. I want the glasses and the swimwear. I got 5,000 simoleons, okay. So what do I have to do now? Set up a picnic. Alright, so right now we have to go, I'll go to Magnolia Blossom. I kind of want to do this like Whispers on the Wind event. Actually, I pre-ordered Enchanted by Nature in case I didn't tell you guys. That's a community space. I'll go to Magnolia Blossom. And we'll take Diana and leave Sushi home. That way Sushi can have some time alone for herself. For this video, I kind of want to do the event. So we gotta go fishing in a pond. Is there a pond? Okay, yes, there's a pond. Well, we could do the weather. Clear skies. Yes, I got the glasses. I got the glasses. Thank God. Heck yes, I got the glasses. Please, please hope I can fish together with Diana. No, please, I just want to go fishing. Please, I just want to go fishing. Hold on. What if I, What if I had a mailbox? Hold on. Guys, give me a second. mailbox. Right, here we go. Now if we just add a mailbox, we can change the weather. In 10 hours. Hold on, wait. Let's see if we make another pond. Terrain tools. So like we my mom just came in, but don't worry, she's gonna be quiet. All right, so maybe if we just make a very tiny pond, we can there. Okay. So we just Alright, hopefully this works, okay. Please, I just want to go fishing. Maybe if we just yeah. No, please. Okay. I'm sorry about that, guys. So what if we just seasons change? I know I didn't. Let's look for frogs. See what happens if we make another pond. Would that work? Okay. Please. Maybe if we go to a place in Willow Creek. I really just want to go fishing. Why does Morgan Ember live here? Come on, let me fish. Maybe if we change it to a heat wave. You know what? Change into a your hot weather so you don't burn to death. You too. Finally, we can go fishing. Okay, now we can go fishing. Alright, few that count. Going back to the park with Magnolia Blossom. So will that interaction just pop up? Or, okay, here. Listen to the wind. We'll have them both do it. I'll have them both listen to the wind on the park bench. Hopefully we can finish the Nature's Calling, or like Whispers on the Wind thing, I mean. So we've got Wordworking Table, 5,000 simoleons, Odonata glasses. I guess there's like no more we need to do, really. We've pretty much done all of it. What can we do with the I want to do the attune to the echoes. Okay, here we go. Okay. Ask one sim if they hear the whispers too. Luckily, we have a child. Ask about the whispers.
Samzo, Gableep.
Alright, now we gotta go home and buy the table. Alright, here we go. Alright, let's go home. Alright, actually, let's just travel home. We'll go for a jog after we, we'll have him, okay, yeah. So we live in, Evergreen Harbor. Wait, what? Oh, wait, let me see. 2 plate households, yeah. Because, our wife lives here. Oh, wait, huh? Why does the kid live alone? I don't really care, but why? Why would the kid just live alone like that? Darian, are you okay? Did Monique leave you or die or something? I mean, I would have gotten like a notification on the phone. Okay, so, you go for jog. Go jogging. Alright, okay, let's find somewhere. Okay, wait. We could sell the book. Well, no, actually, no. Where could we put it? Well, we could. Alright, let's see. Alright, the reclaimed war quoting. We could like theoretically put it here, I guess. Alright, maybe like if we sacrifice this, we could put this here. Put, you know what, there, like that way, because like our son doesn't really live with us anymore. So we've bought this, so now we gotta craft. We'll craft 2 horse sculptures. Alright, where are you? Let's see what happens if we end him. Well, how long do you need to go jogging for? Go jogging, and then when you are done jogging, stargaze. Have a sleep in your bed. It's 1 a.m. and your dad dragged you out of the house. We're gonna speed up time. Actually, wait, can I just cheat it so it's done? Okay, I can't just cheat it. Well, hey, at least you got the handiness skill. Well, hold on, actually. Let's give the first one to our daughter, and then, like, we can keep the second one. So it's like a special little gift for our child. And once you get there, we can stargaze. this is pretty easy. It's not actually that hard to do. I will say that. I am kind of having fun doing this. I've never really paid attention. Alright, stargaze for a few seconds. Touch grass weekly. That's actually kind of funny. Oh, I gotta come back in 6 days? Really? Well, you know, guys, I guess we're gonna have to, like, continue, doing the Nature's Calling thing in 6 days, which means I'll post the next video in 6 days because I kind of wanna, because I don't really know what else to do besides the Nature's Calling event. So I guess, bye guys, see you in about 6 days, and, see you guys in about 6 days and 23 hours. Technically 7 days, but okay, so, what day is it in real life? Hold on, I'll exit the game real quick. Like I was going to anyway, but like, let's exit the game, save and exit. Now we can actually see what time it is. I did think we were not really going to be able to do this. Hey, we still have the 5,000 simoleons. Sims 4 takes a while to close. Right, here we go. So it is the 24th on Tuesday. So Tuesday so next Tuesday. So Wednesday's the 25th. Wednesday's the 25th. Thursday's the 26th. Friday's the 27th. Saturday's the 28th. Sunday's the 29th. Monday's the 30th. So the 31st is when we will post the next video. So bye. So bye guys.